Oyaure kamora mora ma intiere eno kinyi ma jaber kabisa kawuono waloko tanga mana kakiwacho ni tedo gi chiemo wuothe gwenge mopogore kineno toka kendie wantiere e piny mar Turkey boma mar Istanbul lakini en Istanbul mantiere mana Kenya kendie kuma bende wadwa ni mondo walos chiemo achiel ma bende wuok e pinyno mar Turkey machiegni. Mana kakinene gi oko kachacha sani koro wadonje iye wantiere e jikon Istanbul Cave Beach Restaurant kuma bende wadwaro mondo watedi ma bende dwaro konyo watedo ni kawuono mana kaka wache waidho ngas okonana Kenya ka wantiere Kenya kendo wachomo e piny ma Istanbul kuma bende wadwaro mondo walos chiemo mowuok e piny mar Turkey. Antiere koda jatedo marwa iluongo ni Zia. Hello Zia.
Hello.
You say hello in Turkish?
Merhaba.
Marhaba.
Hoş geldiniz.
And welcome.
Welcome, hoş geldiniz.
That's
Hoş
one.
geldin.
Karibu.
Karibu.
So what are you making?
Today I'm making Turkish food, beef guvec and only beef vegetable for this number one for Turkish food.
It's the most loved.
Yes, most loved. It's
Why?
very nice. And go with fire.
Oh.
Yes, it's
Lots of pepper. It's hot.
Yes, it's not too much hot for Turkish spices. It's not too much hot.
Ah, that's
Only
great.
this one.
Okay, so what are we using?
I'm using now this oil first.
Then we have the
After
beef.
this one, yes, beef fillet.
From cow.
From cow, beef
Okay.
fillet. First, it's need nice cook.
In very hot oil.
Yes, very hot oil. But coming very nice. Need 3-4 minutes to cook.
It's not staying long in the fire.
Yes, under the 5 minutes. For my country, Turkey is the number one good food.
So I come to Turkey and this is what
Yes,
I'll get.
beef, chicken, and the seafood. After, first we snip onion and the bell peppers. Red
The
one,
red, the
yeah,
green,
red,
the
green, yellow.
That's to give it the color.
Yes, give color. And the mushroom,
Mushrooms.
fresh mushroom.
It's now giving some nice color.
Yes, it's some nice color. After I put this small this garlic,
Okay.
tomato paste, small one. It's coming color.
Want the mushrooms cook before the beef?
Yes, mushroom, very soft.
Yes.
No need too much cook. Too much cook is coming very small. Color is coming black, not good.
Okay.
After tomato,
So some salt.
yes, 5 grams salt and small black pepper.
Black pepper.
Yes, only this one.
I like the color that's
Yes.
coming out of it.
It's okay. This one small. It's a Turkish full biber.
Okay.
And,
Which pepper is this?
This one is bell
The re-
pepper.
Bell pepper.
Small spices, not too much. Oregano.
Has a very nice.
Yes, smelling.
smell,
Yes,
yes.
very nice smelling. After this,
Then what are these?
eggplant.
Eggplants.
Yes.
Fried
Deep
eggplants.
fried. Yes, deep fried eggplant. Now this one is okay. Small is water.
So that I will give it some
Yes,
soup
yes.
or to help it cook.
It's cook now, all together cook. Come and tasting. Maybe 5 minutes.
So we leave it there
Yes,
for 5
maybe
minutes.
it's cook.
Okay.
And this one I put here. After I'm making this for you, another.
So what are we making
No,
there?
I put here. This one the cook. This one is for meatballs.
Meatballs. Ah,
Turkish is kofte, meatballs. Kofte.
kofte.
Yes, it's kofte. And beef means and the lamb means together. Yes, beef means together.
Okay. So why we placing rosemary first on the
Here,
pan?
oil, vegetable oil, and rosemary.
To bring
Here,
out the,
yes,
the smell.
smell.
Okay.
And the smell.
So it's a meal that goes together with this
Yes.
one. Okay.
Yes.
You people love meat, a lot of meat.
African people like this business.
Turkey and Kenya, one thing, we
Yes,
love meat,
yes,
but
yes.
mostly we love ours grilled, nyama choma.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the same Turkey is like too much beef, lamb.
Lamb.
Yes,
Okay.
eating too much lamb. This one name is kofte, meatball.
Okay, that's the meatballs.
Yes.
You said you mix beef and lamb.
Yes.
Okay.
Beef and lamb together.
Together.
Yes.
To make
if
the
you want
meats.
kg, 500 gram, 500 gram together. Let's come in next. Give me a serviette, please.
I like the fact that you put the rosemary to bring out.
Yeah, rosemary bring this smell. Eh?
Okay.
Yes.
But also, what you mix with the mince? I see some greens,
Have this parsley,
parsley.
small this garlic, and Turkish spices. Timian, oregano.
Okay.
Now this one is more ready.
I parsley is very soft
Yes.
because it cooks.
Yes, no need too much cook. If you too much cook, come in hard.
So with this one, the inside is also cooked.
Yes, inside is cook. It's very soft.
Yeah, I see it's very,
Yes,
very soft.
no need too much hard.
So it doesn't have to cook for long.
Yes. This one is ready. Great. This one.
So it has that's the special flavor.
Yes. This
That's-
one is güveç.
Güveç.
Turkish, yes, güveç. And now I put here this one.
Okay. This is already done.
Yes,
it's
this
ready.
one is ready. This one is ready.
There's some restaurants in that hot plate.
Yes, hot plate.
Yeah, it comes on the table sizzling.
Yes, the coming very nice now. This one, yeah. After I'm closing this dough,
Oh. Okay. That's that.
after it's for this oven.
Oh, so it goes into
Yes,
the oven.
go oven
Come,
now.
Come. So what kind of this
This one lavash, Turkish bread.
Turkish bread?
Yeah, Turkish bread lavash. It's a fresh dough every day. Now this one and lamb chops, and, meatballs.
Looks nice.
Thank you. This one onion salad and have sumak. Turkish baklava pistachio.
So those ones after the meal.
After
the
meal,
dessert,
yes,
yeah.
after meal. Turkish baklava, Turkish tea, maybe Turkish coffee, and go all together. This one pistachio.
Pistachio.
Yes, pistachio.
So that one goes with some tea.
Yes.
Turkish tea.
Tea, maybe and the Turkish coffee. I'm here making Turkish coffee.
Okay.
Together go. It's very nice.
Then it goes with it after the
Yes.
main meal.
Yes. after.
Thank you very much,
Thank you.
Chef Zia,
Thank
for
you so
showing us
much.
how to make a Turkish meal. Mana kako wacho en chiemo no kake nene jatedo kaso chiembe piyo piyo kata kamano inene ni en chiemo manyadhi, chiemo manyasi to nikech wan to en gima wendo kuomwa tineno obiro bedo koliet, obiro kotedere. Dong koro wachak godo higa manyien. Donge wadhi e mesa mondo wang'e to chiemo ni ochalo nade. Koro wane mesa mondo wang'iane. We've already prepared the meal. We are now on the table. You need to show us how to.
Yes, now it's tasting
Take
this
this.
first güveç.
Oh,
That's maybe, yes, please.
that is nice.
Yes.
It's very and soft.
Very soft. And tasting which one? This Turkish all spices.
Okay.
Yes, and this one meatballs. Meatballs.
This is how Turkish people serve their customers.
Ye-
You
yes,
feed them,
yes,
literally.
Let's go. Let's try it. Yes, please.
Wow. So this is what said it's
Meatballs,
yeah.
kofte. For Turkish, this kofte meatball. Lamb and the beef together, mincing. After this grill, all this bulgur rice, chips, onion salad, kachumbari.
It's very nice.
Thank you so much. Enjoy
I love the
your meal.
flavor.
Yes, different flavor. This Turkish spices. Yes.
Yeah, as you said, it's not too much.
Not too much
Kind of
spices.
sweet.
Sweet, yes, and the Turkish baklava.
Right.
Yes, tasting.
So that was the dessert.
Yeah, this one dessert, for Turkish dessert. It's very big.
It's very big, yes.
It's small. Pistachio, it's very sweet. Pistachio.
That's why it goes with the
baklava for my
the coffee.
country, my Turkey is number one, best.
Very nice. I love it.
Thank you.
So, where does this bread go?
This bread and go together for beef güveç, chicken güveç, seafood güveç. All go together and very soft. It's tasting.
Yeah.
Yes,
It's soft.
it's fresh everything. Yes.
In Kenya, we'll say this is like chapati. Then you dip it if it has soup.
Yes, it's protea and it's for sauce. Yes.
Yeah. It's a very fulfilling meal.
Yes.
How cold is Turkey?
Turkey is speaking Turkish and çok güzel. And you know, very soft, smelling very okay, tasting very good. All together because this 10-15 minutes is together boiled, tasting all together.
All the flavors together and tastes very nice, very nice.
Thank you so much.
And the bread is so soft.
Yes.
You need to show us how to make this. How long does it take?
This 10 minutes.
10 minutes and it's
only
ready.
10 minutes.
Great.
It's ready.
Yeah, we'd love to see that.
Very hot.
Mana kaka ineno meso chacho ni en nyasi wantiere koda mkate moket kanyo, wantiere koda ringoni beef brosh, wantiere koda meatballs, wanwang'eyo ni meatballs mekwa iloso ma round kata kamano margi bende opogore. Tineno kaka okete gi mesa kendie. Donge koro wadonje nyasi mondo koro wachiem wachame maber kabisa. Machiegni e mesawa mar chiemo gisani.